Aesthetic bike vlog, downtown Fort Worth, Texas. Oops, have to air up. Getting into downtown. Sidewalk time. I love all the city sounds. Art. I am way off my route. Cruising. Had to stop at a light. Bumpy. Traffic started getting sketchy. Hello, trucker. Let's try a new route. Stairs. Oops, slipped. This feels like a video game. Sharp turns. On the Trinity Trail now. Saw a bridge. Crossed a bridge. Got bored, so I turned around.
11.6 miles per hour. Split speed 11.6 miles per hour.
The stairs messed up my average MPH. More Trinity Trails. Neat bridge. Bumpy. Good view vibes. So pretty out. It's only 99 degrees today. So nice. Gots to check out this waterfall. Glad I brought my camera. It's an Olympus on 10-35mm. Back to the stairs. GTA vibes. Tired. Last little bit. My phone died, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.